Hi, I just got this CNC head from eBay off the internet. This is for my belt, eSky belt CP. Having a little bit of difficulties with it. It seems like when you move it, it right these arms here hit right here against that to that plastic piece. I'm having that problem. I cannot figure it out. And the next problem I have with it is on those two bars, you throttle it up, it goes down, and sometimes it doesn't line back up with the grooves there, so it gets stuck there, so I have no control. I was just wondering if any of y'all knew how to fix this. Please let me know. Thanks.